Hey guys, welcome back to a new vlog. If you are new here, my name is Lolo Matlala, and please do not forget to subscribe, like and comment, and please share this video with your loved ones. Hobe monate, hobe lovely. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming back. Thank you so much for your love. I really appreciate you guys a lot. Yeah, so guys, welcome to a new vlog, and today it's Sunday and I'm home. I just finished cleaning and I want to cook. I'm not cooking anything hectic. I'm gonna cook butternut, chakalaka, broccoli and chicken and what rice for my husband because your girl is on diet. But guys, my diet is not hectic. It's not hectic. Well, the first week it was very hectic. I was only eating your boiled veggies and I was drinking green tea as well. I still do drink green tea, but now at least I really need to go through this. But yeah, I am on diet and I'm doing a few exercises here and there because I don't want to kill myself. I don't want to lose a lot of weight. I just want to be nice and toned, you know. I think one of the challenging things, or mostly when I gain weight, it's my cheeks. Like you can tell from a distance, you have gained weight. Guys, let me cook. I'll see you guys soon, and please guys watch this video till the end. I see each and every comment, I see your love, and I really appreciate you guys a lot. Let's grow this family together, and yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Bye for now.
But even on the bad days, I thank God for making me brave, 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 brave. Oh, more than good, kinda great. But even on the bad days, I thank God for making me. Up and leave. Take a lot of courage just to live out your dreams. Bigger picture I could see if I just close my eyes. Have the foresight to believe. Time don't move backwards, it speeds to the future fearlessly.
Hey guys, you don't know what just happened. So give me a phone. Okay, my phone is on a tripod, and I'm trying to take content for you guys. And the phone, ask you the other plate is on. So give me a phone, no more. My phone was gonna burn. Like literally, the other plate was on 6. Imagine. I'll show you guys how the tripod looks now. It's bent, but I can still use it. Oh, things we do for you guys, the things we do for content. Guys, like my phone was gonna burn, but I can still use this tripod. But I'm just saying, yo, guys, I just wanted to show you how the tripod looks now. It's not bad, but yeah.
Living free. Wanna die when I'm 123. Really wish that all my heroes would notice me. So I be one of the greats on a big stage, inspiring people to pray and give thanks. 'Cause somehow we made it. We're always protected while building our legacy. Travel the world, raise baby girls, marry my best friend. I'm manifesting, but not concerned. 'Cause whatever happens, I'm good. Yeah, I'm good. Actually, more than good. Kinda great. But even on the bad days, I thank God for making me brave. Brave, 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 brave. Oh, more than good, kinda great. But even on the bad days, I thank God for making me.
Morning guys, happy Monday. I'm going to work now. I just finished eating breakfast and I'm going to work. I wanted to do my hair today before I go to work, but then the lady who does my hair is not feeling very well, so really she'll let me know during the week. And I also need to wax my eyebrows, guys. Let me not be bushy wrong. And I also need to do my lashes. Oof. So yeah guys, happy Monday, and I hope you guys had a beautiful weekend, and I'm wishing you a productive week ahead.
Charging forward when I open my mouth, though I may not know how. I know I was born to sing. Travel the world, raise baby girls, marry my best friend. I'm manifesting, but not concerned. 'Cause whatever happens, I'm good. I'm good. Actually, more than good. Kinda great. Even on the bad days, I thank God for making me brave. Living free. Wanna die when I'm 123. Really wish that all my heroes would notice me, so I could be one of the greats on a big stage, inspiring people to pray and give thanks. 'Cause somehow we made it. We're always protected while building our legacy. Travel the world, raise baby girls, marry my best friend. I'm manifesting, but not concerned. 'Cause whatever happens, I'm good. Yeah, I'm good. Actually, more than good. Kinda great. But even on the bad days, I thank God for making me brave. Brave, 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 brave.
I'm done at the mall, guys. I didn't get what I wanted, but it's fine. I'm going back to work. but I am so hungry today. I am craving McDonald's. So now I'm gonna go to McDonald's and then go to work. Yeah, I am so bored. Every time I get disappointed every time I'm to buy something. It's either size or taking a that's yeah.
Up and leave. Take a lot of courage just to live out your dreams. Bigger picture I could see if I just close my eyes. Have the foresight to believe. Time don't move backwards, it speeds to the future fearlessly. Charging forward when I open my mouth, though I may not know how. I know I was born to sing. Travel the world, raise baby girl.
Hey guys, so I just knocked off now and it's 7:30 and we are here to get food. We want to get something to eat. I'm not hungry because remember I ate McDonald's. I think it was what time was it? 12 to. Yeah, and I'm still full, but I'm just gonna get maybe snacking and it's Thursday today, but it feels like a Friday. And tomorrow again, I am busy and I am so tired. Ice cream. I scheduled today, but yeah.
On a big stage, inspiring people to pray and give thanks. 'Cause somehow we made it. We're always protected while building our legacy. Travel the world, raise baby girls, marry my best friend.
Hey guys, happy Friday. I hope you guys are good. I hope you guys had a beautiful week. I'm about to go to work, guys. I just wanted to come here and close off this vlog, but before I close off this vlog, guys, yesterday I went to the mall. I went to the mall to buy a few things, and I also bought this toner, guys. I'm sure you guys saw it from Woolworths, and it's about I don't know if you guys can see properly, but it's 200 and I saw good reviews about it, and I know I'm late. I know some of you guys have been using this toner, but I just want to try it out myself because I'm sure you guys can see on my T-zone I am more lighter, so I have an uneven skin tone. I want to see if it's going to help me with that, so I'm going to use it for a week and then I'm going to come back with a review. And if you're using this toner, guys, please just give me your reviews in the comment section. But I am so happy I bought it because I saw a lot of good reviews about it. I just wanted to show you guys this toner. Let's get this girl. So hey guys, I'll see you guys on my next one with a review of this. Bye.